Welcome to another video from the series First Steps on the RebelMouse CMS. In our last video we finished the introduction to the entry editor and everything you need to know to create and edit your posts. In this video we'll talk about the taxonomy of sections and tags, how they work and how they relate to our posts elements. From the Posts dashboard, we can go to our burger menu on the top left and we can find the Sections dashboard. In this dashboard we can find all the sections that are or will be defined on the site. Just like in the other dashboards, here we can see some of the sections fields. Starting with a cover image, the section name, and its status. We also have a search bar that will highlight the section's name if it corresponds with the search value. We can also reorder and reorganize our sections, which is very useful for maintaining hierarchy on a site with a significant number of sections. In the introductory video we said that sections are the taxonomy term for our sites, but they are not the only taxonomy term. The other one are called tags, and we will talk about them further in the video and their differences. So let's start talking about our main taxonomy term. As we said before, we can see the sections fields on the dashboard, but there is an extremely important field that is not displayed here. We will be able to see this hidden field if we go to a Sections Edition window. And here it is. Section URL. This URL leads us to the section page. Here we will see every post that correspond to the requested section. Back to the dashboard, we will create a new section. To do this, we just need to click on the Add button at the bottom right, and the main field that we have to provide is the name of the section. The URL will automatically update, which does not mean that we cannot change it. To delete a section, we select it on the left, and on the top right we will have the option to delete it. We will be asked if we want to move the posts related to the section being deleted to another section. After this, the section will be deleted. As we have seen in the edit modals, sections have meta fields and descriptions, and just like posts, they can also have custom fields, which will be covered in a future video. There is actually a hierarchy field to the sections. This will be very important to define relations between some sections. This is the parent section. The parent section indicates if the section is a child of any given section. On the sections dashboard, they will be displayed as nested, just like this. Removing this field will make the sections unrelated again. The relationship between parent and child section defines a polymorphism, where a post associated to the child section is at the same time associated to the parent section. We can see this by checking the section and child section pages respectively. Let's associate a post element to our child section on the entry editor. You can see here that both the parent and the child sections are being selected. We will update the post so that the changes can be seen in the site. If we go to the parent section page, we can see the post that was assigned to the child section. If we go to the page of the child section, note that the URL follows the parent URL. We will see just the post that was assigned to the child section. Now let's delete the parent field of the child section, so the relation is broken. A post element that was assigned to them both will still be assigned to both, but some things have changed. Let's go to the old parent section page. We can still see the post, but now if we try to go once more to the old child section page, it does not exist. This is because its URL does not follow anything right now, so we can access it like this, and we still see the post. Let's talk about the other taxonomy term that we use at RebelMouse, tags. We can set that here on the entry editor we can assign tags to a post, but there is no selector like we have for sections. Because tags are created on demand, sections have to be created on the dashboard in order to be used. For tags, they are created the moment they are assigned. Because of this, we can assign as a tag pretty much anything we like, anytime we like, to primary tag and regular tags. The primary tag is just like a regular tag, but it will have display priority on a post. Just like sections, tags will have a page, where we will be able to see every post that share the same tag. The main difference between tags and sections is the fact that tags does not have hierarchy relations. There is no such thing as a parent tag, and because of this tags does not define polymorphism between them. In conclusion, tags and sections are taxonomy terms, and both can have their respective pages, but sections are objects, much more complex and powerful. That's all you need to know about tags and sections for now. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.